The service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning.
For the latest news, sports, and weather information under one roof.
Ariel Dot can pick up this.
If not, I'll just go online.
Once a while, I act like a spoiled brat because my mom threats me. Everyone knows that.
What do I do?
$10 million subscriptions sold. Now try Babbel for free at Babbel.com. Just go to Babbel.com and start learning a new language today. That's Babbel.com. Babbel.com.
The following is a test of the EAS. This station is testing its emergency alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test. Here's the latest from the KDKA
Wow.